Hey everyone, it's Audrey back again with another tutorial. And today what I want to show you how to do is how to send an audio message to a contact. Now I absolutely love this feature on the iPhone, especially for those messages that would take me forever to text on this small little screen. I love it because I have fat fingers, and whenever I use my stylus pen, it just seems like I'm having to tap on all of the different letters. So that's what you're going to learn how to do in this video, but stay till the end because I'm going to show you how when you receive an audio message, how you can save it and where to go to re-listen to it. So let's jump right in so I can show you how to do it. First things first is you want to open up your messaging app. So mine is located down here to the bottom right on my dock. Choose the contact that you want to send a message to. And for this one, I'm just going to use my daughter. So I'm going to open up our messages. And now when you're here, you're going to see the plus icon beside where it says message. So you're going to tap on that. Now, right where it says audio, before you tap that, I want to let you know that as soon as you tap that, it's going to start recording the message. So just be aware of that. So I'm going to tap on it. Hey, honey, I just wanted to check in and make sure that you were able to get into the house. Just let me know. Once you're finished with this, you're going to tap on the stop button to the right. Now, if you want to play it back before you even send it, you can do so by tapping on the play button. Now, if you want to re-record it, simply just tap on the X. Tap on the plus. Tap on audio. Hey, honey, just wanted to check in and make sure that you were able to get into the house. Let me know. Love you. Tap on the stop button and then tap on the arrow up. So now the message goes to her and it's been delivered. You'll notice also that it transcribed it. So you can see the transcription by tapping on show more. So that way, if she's not able to listen, she could just read the transcript of this audio message. So if you want to keep this message within the text messaging and it not be deleted, you'll tap on keep. And now it will keep that audio message within text messaging that you two have going on. Now, if you want to save this audio message so that you can listen to it later, you're able to do that by tap and hold down until you get all of these options. Once you have these options, you're going to tap Save to Voice Memo. Now, where do you find the voice memo? Glad you asked. We're going to go back to your home screen, tap on search, start typing in voice, and you'll notice this icon, the voice memos. You're going to tap on that, go all recordings, and then here is the recording. There's two different ways that you can listen to an audio message that someone sends you. And this is really cool for if you're in a place that you don't want anybody else to hear the audio message and you just want it to be private, or you can listen to it on the speaker. So when the message comes in, you'll notice where it says raise to listen. All you have to do is raise it and put it to your ear and you're going to hear it.
We are all good here. Wes is bringing me the key right now.
Okay, that's all I had to do. I didn't have to press the play button. I didn't have to do any of that. All I did was just simply raise it to my ear. Now, if you want to listen to it on the speaker, then you would just tap on the play.
So I will be getting into the house soon.
Button, and it will play on the speaker. Everybody around you will be able to hear it. And once again, if you click on show more, it shows the transcript of what that audio message says. Now, if I do not keep this message, it will disappear within 2 minutes. I've got 2 minutes to keep this. So if I want to keep it within the thread so that I can refer back to it, I'm going to tap on keep. And then once again, I'm going to tap and hold down long long tap, and then choose Save to Voice Memos. And that's it. That is how you're going to send an audio message, listen to an audio message, keep the audio message within your text message that you have going with that person, and how to save that voice memo and be able to get back to it. All right. Let me know in the comments below. Are you an audio message person or do you like texting better? Because I'm definitely auto messaging. If this video helped you in any way, why not give it a thumbs up? Hit that subscribe button. It's completely free, along with the bell button. So you're going to be notified every single time that we put up one of these video tutorials. Until next time, y'all be blessed. Bye.